how to turn on or turn off, suggest apps, show apps that might be useful right now. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on More Privacy Settings. In here, tap on Personal Data Intelligence. Then scroll down. And at the bottom here, tap on Suggest Apps. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on Suggest Apps. This will show apps that might be useful right now. Suggestions are based on your usage patterns. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.